Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing a quick unboxing real quick of these phones I picked up on eBay. I have been working on building a quad engine. Just need a rebuild, so I've been working on it. So I haven't been able to make any videos right now, but I want to get this one out real quick, so I figured I'd go and do a video of it real quick. So there you are. Here is a Samsung SCH A530. It's refurbished by Assure, it looks like. It looks to be in pretty good shape besides this massive damage right here, as you can tell. But other than that, there we go. Camera zoomed in for some reason. It looks to be alright. Turns on. That's some major damage. I might have to take it apart and see if I can get this to sit back down maybe. But it does work. And then we have a Samsung SPH A560 with no battery. Doesn't seem to have any water damage. I can grab a battery real quick so we can test it and see if it works. Alright, so this one's fully booted up. As you can tell, it works just fine. And then here's my other A560. I can tell it works just fine. It's got the rubber things that are falling apart on it pretty much, but as you see, it does work. It's not locked either. I thought it was going to be locked. So yeah, there we go. Another working one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.